In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a secret key in 1password. If you're a 1password user, you know just how crucial secret keys are in keeping your account secure. It's the extra layer of protection that, together with your master password, ensures your information stays protected. Whether you've forgotten where to locate it or you're setting up a new device, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to find your secret key. First, we'll need to open our web browser and head over to the official 1password website. Just type 1password.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the page has loaded, you're going to see a variety of options. But our focus is on the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login page of 1password. Now, here you will need to enter your email and your master password to access your account. This is an important step, as it's the combination of these credentials and your secret key that ensures the utmost security for your account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the 1password homepage. On the homepage, find and click on your profile icon. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. It might display your initials if you haven't set a profile picture. Clicking on your profile icon will present you with a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, look for the Manage Account option and give it a click. This will take you to a settings page where you have access to various details about your account. Now that you're on the settings page, spot and select the Secret Key option. This is where you'll find your unique secret key, a vital component of your 1password account's security. It might be displayed as a combination of numbers and letters, resembling an elaborate passcode. Make sure you do not share this key with anyone else, as it's a highly sensitive piece of information that ensures your account remains private and secure. And that's it. You've successfully located your secret key. Remember, you might want to copy it someplace safe. Perhaps even use a separate password manager if you're using multiple accounts. This process only takes a few minutes, but it's a crucial task for maintaining your online security. If you encounter any issues along the way or have any concerns about your account's security, don't hesitate to reach out to 1password support for further assistance. Thank you for watching and stay secure.